Hi, um, what's up, guys? My name is Tom, and where I'm going today is preparing s'more. S'more, what do you need? 4 marshmallow, dough bars of chocolate, and crackers. The first thing must do is the fire. This is we will use the stove because it is a simple recipe.
3 hours later.
Okay, let's go to the cook. This is a s'more. Okay, the cracker, marshmallow. Okay, wow, marshmallow, marshmallow. Wow, marshmallow. Um, for okay, okay. The chocolate. Okay, okay. Wow, wow. Marshmallow. The toast cracker. Ready? My dog is like it is more. Ghost, ghost, ghost for you. Ghost, ghost, ghost. It's very candy. Ghost. I don't, I don't like it for ghost. Ah, mira, prueba ahí. Eso es un s'more. Yes. 10 to 10. Okay, two mini bars of chocolate. Is I like chocolate. Okay, are they are ready for the mini sandwich? Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you for the watches. It's very likely my video. See you tomorrow for the recipes. Okay. Um, Sweet paper, ham, and onion omelette. For the omelette, what you need: 4 eggs, chopped onion and tomato, chopped cilantro, salchichon or chopped ham. Directions: combining eggs with water, salt, and pepper. In a small bowl, stir brisket with a fork head. Add 10 into non the chick skillet over long head. Add the onion and tomato, wait a few minutes and, add a handful of salchichon. Flip the egg cake helpful, so it looked like putty. Garnish with some salchichon with onion and tomato. Add the chopped cilantro. My dog interests what I'm cooking. Salt to taste and done. My sister eating my preparation. And remember, if you need this and more recipes, consult the cookbook, the Camper Cookbook.